Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to get a custom keyboard. So, first thing you want to do is go to Messenger, not Messenger, Play Store. Look up, what's it called? Facemoji. Facemoji keyboard. And you gotta download it, open. You can make your own by clicking the brush and the pin and the plus sign. You have to get a photo.
Let's go! PJ tonight.
Get that. And then you want to choose any of this. Dark. Effect. Skulls. Font. That font. You can click anything. Computer if you do this. Bubbles. Raindrops. Just keep it on. Sticker. Sticker. And boom. As you see, you can also get like weird ones like this one. But isn't that bad? You got one in here. It's another. Yeah, guys, you want to get it?